Number 1. Which of the following statements is correct about accelerated death benefits? A. This provision is usually provided with an increase in premium. B. Must have a terminal illness to qualify. C. Those on Social Security disability automatically qualify for this benefit. D. The full face amount is available as an accelerated benefit. Answer. B. Must have a terminal illness to qualify. Accelerated death benefits provide for the early payment of some portion of the policy face amount should the insured suffer from a terminal illness or injury. 2. Which of these factors does not influence an applicant's need for life insurance? A. Future educational costs of the departments. B. Number of dependents. C. Lifestyle of the applicant. D. Self-maintenance expenses. Answer. D. Self-maintenance expenses. Individuals' need for a death benefit for survivors is influenced by all of the following factors except self-maintenance expenses. 3. An agent gives a conditional receipt to a client for an insurance policy after collecting the initial premium. When will the policy become effective? A. When the conditions of the receipt are met. B. The date of policy delivery. C. When the policy is issued. D. The date the sales appointment was set. Answer. A. When the conditions of the receipt are met. A conditional receipt indicates that certain conditions must be met in order for the insurance coverage to go into effect. 4. Blank. Of personal life insurance premiums is usually deductible for federal income tax purposes. A. 75%. B. 50%. C. 100%. D. 0%. Answer. D. 0%. In general, personal life insurance premiums are not deductible for federal income tax purposes. 5. An incomplete life insurance application submitted to an insurer will result in which of these actions? A. Application will be returned to the writing agent. B. Application will be approved with restrictions. C. Application will be pending until a MIB report is sent to the insurer. D. Application will be automatically declined. Answer. A. Application will be returned to the writing agent. If the company discovers a mistake or incompletion, it usually returns the application to the producer. 6. A foreign insurance company conducting insurance business in Texas. A. Is only authorized to write business outside the United States. B. Was formed under the laws of another state. C. Is not subject to Texas insurance laws. D. Was formed under the laws of another country. Answer. B. Was formed under laws of another state. A foreign insurance company is one that is incorporated under the laws of another state. 7. When an insurance company sends a policy to the insured with an attached application, the element that makes the application part of the contract between the insured and the insurer is called the A. Insuring clause. B. Time limit on certain defense provision. C. Entire contract provision. D. Legal contract clause. Answer. C. Entire contract provision. Entire contract provision states that the application and policy contain all provisions and constitute the entire contract. 8. In regards to representations or warranties, which of these statements is true? A. Representations are statements guaranteed to be true in every respect. B. If material to the risk, false representations will void a policy. C. Warranties are statements considered to be true to the best of the applicant's belief. D. If material to the risk, false representations will not void a policy. Answer. B. If material to the risk, false representations will void a policy. In insurance, false representations will void a policy if they are material to the risk. (9) In Texas, an individual life insurance policy is required to have a grace period of A. 20 days, B. 15 days, C. 30 days, D. 31 days. Answer: D. 31 days. An individual life insurance policy issued in Texas must have a grace period for premium payment of 31 days. 10. A policy owner's rights are limited under which beneficiary designation? A. Revocable, B. Tertiary, C. Irrevocable, D. Contingent. Answer: C. Irrevocable. An irrevocable beneficiary designation requires the consent and signature of that named beneficiary before a change of beneficiary occurs. 11. What is being delivered during a policy delivery? A. Insurance contract to the proposed insured, B. A binding receipt to the proposed insured, C. Application and initial premium to the insurer, D. Policy summary sheet and disclosure material to the proposed insured. Answer: A. Insurance contract to the proposed insured. Policy delivery refers to the delivery of the insurance contract to the applicant. 12. Which of the following correctly explains the actions an agent should take if a customer wants to apply for an insurance policy? A. Have the customer fill out the application and send it to his office for him to sign, then send it off to the insurance company. B. Complete the application and review the information with the customer prior to obtaining the customer's signature, then send the application off to the insurance company. C. Have the customer sign a blank application, then take the application back to his office to complete prior to sending it off to the insurance company. D. Complete the application over the phone with the customer, sign the application for the customer, then send the application off to the insurance company. Answer: B. Complete the application and review the information with the customer prior to obtaining the customer's signature, then send the application off to the insurance company. If the customer wants to apply for an insurance policy, the agent should complete the application and review the information with the customer prior to obtaining the customer's signature. Then send the application off to the insurance company. 13. A statement made by an insured in an insurance application that must be true to the best of one's knowledge and which becomes a part of the contract is known as A. A mutual assent, B. A warranty, C. An insuring agreement, D. A representation. Answer: D. A representation. A representation is a statement made by an insured in an insurance application that must be true to the best of one's knowledge and which becomes a part of the contract. 14. The provision that can be used to put an insurance policy back in force after it has lapsed due to non-payment is called A. Reinstatement, B. Automatic premium loan, C. Grace period, D. Waiver of premium. Answer: A. Reinstatement. In cases where a policy owner wishes to reinstate a lapsed policy, the reinstatement provision allows the policy owner to do so with some limitations. 15. M takes out a life insurance policy and dies 10 years later. During the claim process, the insurer discovers that M had understated her age on the application. Under the misstatement of age provision, the insurer will A. Deny the claim, B. Adjust the death benefit to an increased amount, C. Pay the death benefit in full, D. Adjust the death benefit to a reduced amount. Answer: D. Adjust the death benefit to a reduced amount. In this situation, the misstatement of age provision in the policy specifies that the insurance proceeds will be adjusted to a reduced amount.